Doge, the Department of Government Efficiency. Oh, doesn't it sound exciting? Are you excited? Well, I tell you who was a little excited on Friday. Well, it was the agency that was trying to move a nuclear missiles, yeah. Nuclear missiles. And the safety team was nowhere to be seen. And why is that? Well, they sacked them as a part of Project Doge under Project 2025. Yes, they sacked them. And they decided it wasn't a good idea to sack them. We actually need those employees. So they tried to get them back. But they couldn't. They deleted their emails as a part of their sacking. Fools! But I'm sure there'll be a few more broken arrows, that there will. And the Iranians will be very happy. That I'm sure. But it's not just the missiles. No. What about your eggs? Oh dear. The Trump administration firings hit key office handling bird flu response. No, it's not cold for the birds. It affects you as well. Human beings, all right? And also, it ends up in the old cows and the old vets as well, after shoving their hand up their dairy. Anyway, you know, to see whether or not, you know, or cough. Yeah, apparently. Yeah, anyway, the layoffs in the. Why would I do that? In the USDA's National Animal Health Laboratory Network Program offers come as egg prices are already at a record high amid worsening outbreak. Plus, these agencies aren't allowed to talk to each other or record anything because Donald Trump seems to think if you don't record it, it's not there. What a success. Yes, so laboratories in the national network of 58 facilities responding to the widespread bird flu were notified on Friday that 25% of the staff in a central program office coordinating their work were fired in the Trump administration's mass layoffs of federal employees. Now, let's get this. This is just getting ridiculous, all right? Absolutely ridiculous. The price of eggs already, going through the roof, all right? And they're trying to save money, right? That's the whole point of this Doge thing, right? Is the Department of Government Efficiency, your mass firings. They plan to get rid of around 10%. Well, actually, I think that's 6 or 8 to 10% of all employees. So let's say 10%. Well, when you consider the actual spending, federal spending is about 6.7 trillion, isn't it? Yeah, 6.7 trillion. And 10% of that, I think, about $10.8 billion. That's only, 0.16% saving. That's minuscule. That's akin to the fishermen with 0.1% of the economy in the United Kingdom and used them as an argument for Brexit. That's how stupid and idiotic it is. But again, so Brexit is stupid and idiotic. Also voted by a whole load of morons who of the lack of finger, like MAGA. You MAGA and you Brexiters, you are like that, you are. You are joined by the singular brain cell. Like one of them squishy things that are sticky, you throw them at the wall and they slowly come down. A bit like that. This is mental. It doesn't make any sense. But that's tiny, tiny saving to absolutely destroy all agencies. We're talking about Medicaid as well, you know. So anyway, the USDA's National Animal Health Laboratory Network Program Office has staff of only 14 people, but it plays a major role in responding to animal disease outbreaks. It's responsible for data management, ensuring that labs across the country are conducting the same tests and following similar protocols to accurately and effectively track animal diseases. You need to be able to understand what you're trying to fight. Whether it be Vladimir Putin or whether it be bird flu. You need an understanding, which means you need the data, you need the information, you need to own it. You need to accept that there's a problem. Just like Brexit in the UK again, you know. You have to accept it's a shit, because it is absolutely shit. There's no benefits to Brexit. It's completely utterly destroyed the UK's economy. It's dragging its heels. It can't seem to break water. No. Oh, dear. So this is another level of stupidity by the Trump administration. So just watch your egg prices increase. They're already way. I shouldn't laugh. People are struggling, you know. Anyway, if you both kind of click the like button and maybe subscribe to the channel, little bell icon, so you get one buzz video in your pocket every time I upload another video about egg prices. They're not just for egg prices. Sure. If you're sponsoring, your Patreon or buy us coffee, and the links down below. They are, and it is very much appreciated because I couldn't do this channel without a little bit of assistance. Anyway, if you want to see the channel, I'm out of breath. See the channel keep going, but then yeah, a little bit of support is really appreciated. Anyway. Have a lovely day. Don't work too hard. Love to the family. Don't do anything I wouldn't do.